Are you looking for a drone that won't break the bank? Do you want to capture stunning aerial footage without spending a fortune? If so, you're in luck, because in this video we'll show you the best budget drones. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, you'll find a drone that suits your needs and budget. So, let's get started and see what these amazing flying machines can do. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is DJI Mini 2 SE. A budget-friendly drone that offers a lot of value for beginners and hobbyists. It is a compact and lightweight drone that does not require FAA registration, making it easy to fly anywhere. It has a 12-megapixel camera that can record smooth 2.7K video at 30 FPS, and a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the footage. It also has a long flight time of around 30 minutes, and a USB-C charging system for convenience. The DJI Mini 2 SE is not the most advanced drone in the market, but it still outperforms many of its competitors in this price range. It has a dedicated remote controller that is ergonomically designed and easy to operate, and it supports OCUSYNC 2.0 technology that provides a stable and clear live video feed up to 10 kilometers away. It also has some user-friendly features, such as quick shots video modes, auto takeoff and landing, and level 5 wind resistance. The DJI Mini 2 SE does have some limitations, however. It does not have obstacle detection sensors, which means you have to be careful when flying near obstacles. It also does not have some of the camera features that the Mini 2 has, such as 4K resolution, true vertical shooting, and hyperlapse. Moreover, the SDR video profile may not be ideal for some scenes that require more dynamic range. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a great drone for beginners who want to enjoy aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. It offers most of the features and performance of the Mini 2, but for significantly less money. It is a solid product that delivers smooth and high-quality footage, and it is fun and easy to fly. The DJI Mini 2 SE is truly the most capable drone for beginners. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. The next one on our list is Potensic Atom SE, a sub-250-gram drone that folds into a compact size and offers a range of features and modes for beginner pilots. It comes with a 4K camera, a GPS return-to-home function, an optical stabilization system, and a controller that connects to your smartphone via cable. The Fly More combo includes a carry case and 2 batteries, which is a great value for money. The drone is easy to set up and fly, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly app. The drone has several flying modes to choose from. It can also fly indoors using the optical stabilization system, which detects the ground and adjusts the altitude accordingly. The camera is one of the main drawbacks of the Potensic Atom SE. While it can record 4K video and capture 12-megapixel stills, it does not have a mechanical gimbal to stabilize the footage. Instead, it relies on electronic image stabilization, which crops the image and reduces the quality. The camera also has limited control options, such as tilt angle and exposure. The field of view is wide at 118 degrees, but it also introduces some distortion and fisheye effect. The battery life is decent, with up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery. However, the batteries take a few hours to charge and do not have a fast charge option. The range is impressive, with up to 4 kilometers of distance from the controller. However, the drone does not have any collision avoidance sensors, so you have to be careful of obstacles and other aircrafts. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE is a capable beginner drone that offers a lot of fun and functionality for an affordable price. It is not as advanced as the DJI Mini 2 SE in terms of camera quality and stabilization, but it is still a great option for those who want to explore the world of aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Our next pick is Holystone HS720E, a GPS drone that features a 4K UHD camera with electronic image stabilization technology. It is designed for beginners and intermediate users who want to capture high-quality aerial videos and photos without breaking the bank. The drone comes with 2 batteries, a carrying case, and some spare parts. The main selling point of the HS720E is its 4K camera, which can record smooth and clear videos at 30 frames per second. The EIS system compensates for the camera's shake and distortion caused by the drone's movements, resulting in stable footage. The camera also has a 130-degree field of view, which allows you to capture more scenery in your shots. The photos are not as impressive as the videos, though, as they tend to be noisy and lack detail. The drone has a decent flight performance, thanks to its GPS positioning and optical flow sensor. The GPS provides accurate location and altitude data, while the optical flow sensor helps the drone hover steadily indoors or in low light conditions. The drone also has some intelligent flight modes, such as return to home, point of interest, tap fly, and follow me. These modes make the drone easy to control and fun to fly. The drone has a good flight time of up to 23 minutes per battery, which is impressive for its price range. The batteries are also easy to install and remove, as they have a clip-on design. However, the downside is that the batteries take about 5 hours to charge fully, which is quite long. The drone has a sleek and sturdy design, with foldable arms and propellers. It is easy to carry around in the included case, which has a nice rubberized finish and custom-fitted compartments. The drone weighs 460 grams, which means you will need to register it with the FAA before flying it in the US. The controller is also well made, with ergonomic grips and responsive buttons. It uses 4 AA batteries, which are not rechargeable. Overall, the Holystone HS720E is a great budget drone that offers 4K video quality and long flight time. It is suitable for anyone who wants to enjoy aerial photography and videography without spending too much money. Number 4 on our list is Rise Tello, a drone that combines the technology of DJI and Rise, two leading companies in the drone industry. It is a small and compact drone that weighs only 80 grams and can fit in the palm of your hand. It has a 5-megapixel camera that can capture photos and stream 720p HD video to your smartphone via the Tello app. It also has a 13-minute flight time per battery charge and stability sensors to keep it steady in the air. The Tello is easy to fly with the app, which has automatic takeoff and landing controls, as well as a virtual joystick for manual control. You can also perform impressive stunts with the Tello, such as flips, spins, and bounce mode. The Tello is responsive and agile, and can zip along at up to 8 Siemens. However, it is not very good at handling wind, and can drift or lose control in breezy conditions. It also has a limited range of about 30 to 40 meters, and the video quality can become choppy or laggy at the edge of the signal. The Tello is not just a toy, but also a learning tool. You can use it to learn about drones, coding, and STEM. The Tello app has a scratch mode, where you can program the drone with drag and drop blocks. You can also use other apps or software to control the Tello with more advanced languages, such as Python or Swift. The Tello has an app market, where you can find and download different apps for the drone, such as games, flight simulators, or alternative controllers. The Rise Tello is a fun and affordable drone that offers a lot of features and possibilities for its price. It is ideal for beginners or children who want to experience flying a drone and learn some coding skills along the way. It has some limitations in terms of range, wind resistance, and camera quality, but it still delivers a smooth and stable flight performance. The Tello is a great way to feel the fun of flying a drone. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Betto FPV Cetus Pro Kit, a complete beginner's FPV drone kit that includes everything you need to start flying in the exciting world of first-person view drones. It comes with a Cetus Pro brushless quadcopter, a Light Radio 2 SE transmitter, VRO2 FPV goggles, 2 1s lithium polymer batteries, a USB battery charger and cable, 4 spare propellers, a propeller removal tool, a USB-C adapter for firmware updates and a carry case. The Cetus Pro is a small and lightweight drone that weighs only 45.8 grams with the battery. It has 4 powerful micro brushless motors that provide plenty of thrust and agility. The drone has 3 flight modes: normal, sport and manual. Normal mode is the easiest one, as it uses optical flow, barometer and laser sensors to keep the drone stable and avoid obstacles. Sport mode is more challenging, as it disables the sensors and allows you to control the pitch and roll of the drone. Manual mode is the most difficult one, as it gives you full control over the drone without any stabilization. This is the mode that you need to master if you want to fly like a pro. The Light Radio 2 SE transmitter is a simple and ergonomic controller that has 8 channels and 3 switches. It can be used with FPV simulators on Mac or Windows computers via a USB cable, which is a great way to practice your flying skills without risking your drone. The VRO2 FPV goggles are comfortable and adjustable, and they have a 4.3-inch LCD screen that displays the live video feed from the drone's camera. The video transmission range is up to 80 meters, but it can be affected by interference and obstacles. The Betto FPV Cetus Pro Kit is a fun and affordable way to learn how to fly FPV drones. It offers basic safety features, robust build quality and decent performance. However, it also has some drawbacks, such as short battery life, limited video resolution and difficulty in windy conditions. The Cetus Pro is not designed to shoot photos or videos, so if you're looking for a drone that can capture stunning footage, you might want to look elsewhere. But if you're looking for a drone that can teach you the basics of FPV flight and challenge you to improve your skills, the Cetus Pro Kit might be the perfect choice for you. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.